Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I will show you how to create the free text to audio speech with emotion using free AI tools. So without wasting time, let us go directly to the task. So first of all, we will create one script for our audio, that is like we will use a ChatGPT. So I have given a sample prompt for creating the engaging script for one story, and this is the story in Hindi, and this story is ready. Now next thing is we need to choose a AI tool which gives us the free text to speech with emotion. So that tool's name is Cohesive AI. Yeah, this is a Cohesive AI. So what you need to do, you need to just type Cohesive ASO. So you will get the first website, that is cohesive.aso. You need to go to this website and make sure you open this Opera browser. If you don't have the Opera browser, please do install the Opera browser. Once you install the Opera browser, what you need to do, you go to the settings, and in settings you will be redirected into the different options, and down the line if you go let me show you. Okay, if you go to the advanced, then you will be shown enable VPN. Okay, so here you should tick mark yes, enable VPN, and by default also you will use enable VPN. Once you do the enable VPN, you need to create a new private windows. Okay, once you click on this new private windows, a new window will be open up. Now your VPN is open, so you will exclusively using VPN. Then what you need to do, you need to create a temporary email. So I will search a temp mail in Google. So it will give me the various search queries. So it basically gives the temporary mail to validate your email. And I will click on the first link. So it will give me the temporary email address. Meanwhile, I will go to the Cohesive AI. Yeah. So this is a temporary mail. I'm waiting for it. So let us wait for a couple of seconds. Great. So this is my temporary mail and it is ready. So I will copy this mail, and next thing is I will open up Cohesive ASO website. So I will search Cohesive ASO and I will get the first one. Okay. Now this is like the opening view of Cohesive AI. So let us wait for the website to be loaded quickly. It seems like I have already created one account. So for the simplicity, I will log out this account, and what I will do, I will again sign up for free. Okay, and I will give my email address here. Once I give my email address here, you will be asked for the password. Since it is not opening up because it is asking password because of cookies, I will first close my all VPN accounts. So VPN browser, sorry, not account. So I have closed my VPN browser. Now I will again open up private windows, and I will follow the same process here. VPN would be off. I will turn it off, so it will automatically detect your location, VPN location. So and next thing is I will type temp mail, and in the second window I will type Cohesive ASO. And it will ask you some different languages. Click in the right side windows and click on the first website, that is Cohesive ASO. So it is ready. Now you will click on the sign up for free. In order to use it repeatedly, you need to validate your email account every time. So in order to do that, we are going to create the temporary mail. So this is a temporary mail, and just give the tick mark yes for the security verification using Cloudflare by this website. So just wait for a couple of seconds. When it is saying yes tick mark, then you just need to keep yes. So let us wait for a while. Yeah, so it is ready. So I have clicked as a human yes. So it will give me a temporary mail ID. So I will wait for a few seconds, say 4 to 5 seconds. Here new email address will be popped up. So we will use this email address to sign up and validation process. Great. So this email address is ready. Just like after at the rate, some fancy name is there, so it shows the uniqueness. Now I will click on this unique, create the account, then enter your email ID. I will click enter email ID. Then it will ask you to accept the cookies. Please don't accept the cookies in private browser in order to continue the operations. So if you don't click accept these cookies, it will try some it will take some time to validate your account. So let us wait for it. Great. So it has asked me to verify with the verification code. So in the temp mail, I will go back to the temp mail, and I can see here the verification email has come. So I will take the code. Here, this is the verification code. So I will copy this code. 158460. 158460. So this is my verification code. 158460. Okay. 158460. This is my verification code, and it will ask you to set the password. I will give my default my password. So 123 and I will give some name. It is just for sake for your account verification. Yeah, and it will ask you in which areas are you interested. So just select random things which you are interested. So I am just selecting a random choice, and it will ask you something to display. Just do the skip dots, and it will align you with one page start with your creator with so and so amount. So in the down the line you will say start with free. So I will go with free, and here is the magic. Now here is a text, voice and image. These three options we have been given. So our prime objective is to create audio speech, and it will be in Hindi. So I will again go back to my story. My story is in Hindi, so I will copy the entire story created by the ChaGPT. I will again go back to the private browser. Now I will copy I will paste my story over here, and here I will choose a language wisely. I will choose Hindi and a different voice called Abhishek, Aditi, Akriti, Amar. Okay, I am choosing the Amar and hit the next. So it will take roughly 20 to 25 seconds to get it ready. One more thing, if you find it is taking too much time while creating the audio, what you can do meanwhile, you can copy this email ID which you have recently generated. This is the email ID, and I will open up in the new browser. You will make sure that it is not the VPN browser, because sometimes due to the proxy transmission, this will take some time. So I will open up in normal browser, be Opera or anything else. I will go to the login and log in with the email which you have recently created, and I will give the password. So I think it would be much more faster than the previous one. So let us wait for a while. Yeah, and it is asking me to save the password. Okay, I will say yes, create, save, and voice. I will paste a voice from the ChatGPT script. I have copied my ChatGPT script. This thing, and here I will choose a language as a Hindi, and okay, voice Aman, and I will hit the next. So it will give me the instant output. See, in the case of VPN, it was taking a time because of the VPN transmission issues. So better you go ahead with the normal browser with login ID and password. So it will be very easy for you. Since the script is more than 150 words, so it is taking some time. So it is ready. Now let us listen a few of the few seconds of this voice. Let us listen.
आगे की कहानी है एक खूबसूरत लड़की की, जिनका नाम गुलजा था। वह एक अमीर परिवार से थी, लेकिन उसका दिल सिर्फ और सिर्फ एक ही लड़के के लिए धड़कता था, समीर, जो कि एक साधु और बुद्धिमान छात्र था। गुलजा और समीर की मुलाकात विद्यालय में हुई थी।
So this seems like a very appealing and emotional voice, and of course it is a free. So this way of using Cohesive AI for free text to speech tool will help you to create the emotional story script for your videos. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you have any queries, feel free to comment. Thank you very much for watching.